Today I'm making crispy fried squid rings, crunchy on the outside, while the squid itself is chewy and very savory, perfect with rice or on its own as a snack. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 250 grams of frozen squid rings, though I bought this from the frozen section, 2 eggs, 80 grams of homemade crispy flour, 80 grams of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon of salt, and about 500 grams of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Switch on the heat to medium, pour in all the oil and wait for the oil to get hot. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, whisk the egg until the yolk and white are well combined. Set aside. Sprinkle all the salt over the squid rings and rub to marinate evenly. Alright, set aside. Now I will prepare each squid ring individually. Evenly coat the squid ring into the crispy flour mix. Then coat it with the eggs. Try to only make 1 layer of eggs. Next, bury it in the breadcrumb until the egg is fully absorbed. Set it aside on the flat plate. Repeat until all the squid rings have been coated. Alright, it is done. Let's go and fry it. Test the oil by immersing wooden cooking chopstick. If bubbles form up at the tip, it's ready for deep frying. Add the squid ring one at a time into the hot oil. Arrange them around the pan. After about 30 seconds, or if the breadcrumb is turning brown, flip them to evenly cook on the other side. Continue to flip and turn the squid ring every 20 to 30 seconds. This is to ensure that the breadcrumbs are cooked and golden brown evenly on both sides. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes, or until all are crispy and golden brown. If there is any empty space, can add more squid rings. After 2.5 minutes, the squid rings have turned to a lovely golden brown. Remove them from the oil and place them on the strainer. Give a little shake to drip off the excess oil. Rest them on a cooling rack for more oil to drip off. Remove the excess crumb in the oil with a strainer so they will not burn and affect the rest of the squid rings later. Okay, this piece is also cooked and ready. Remove it from the hot oil. And repeat with the rest of the squid ring over the medium-high heat. Alright, the second batch is perfectly crispy and golden brown. Remove them and rest them on a strainer over the oil. Once again, give a little shake to drip off the excess oil. Switch off the heat and place them on a cooling rack. Arrange them on a serving plate and serve the crispy fried squid rings with some cilantro and Thai chicken chili sauce. Let's eat! Wow, so crispy. The squid is tender and tasty on the inside. It goes so well with the chicken chili sauce. I love to wrap it with a little cilantro for the fresh taste. Dip it in the chili sauce. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!